Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Homemakers to the Rescue. Now this collaboration is being hosted by Jessica Myros and organized with Joy. Remember, as in all collaborations, we need to practice YouTube etiquette. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Okay guys, so I have two other channels besides this one. I have Simply Grace Lifestyle, which is really an overflow of this one, of this channel. And then I have Moments of Grace. So I am a Bible college student. I am getting ready to graduate and I am so happy and proud of that. Now, I have started Moments of Grace. I would love for you to head on over there, guys, because right now I'm doing some Bible-based devotionals or inspirationals, and I would love for you to come on over and support me. Okay, so if we head on over to the video, I am doing life and I'm taking you with me, guys. So I have lots of little things going on all over the place. It's driving me like, I don't even know what I'm doing. But I'm folding clothes, I'm cooking, I'm doing this, I'm sweeping, I'm running up and down the stairs. It's just total craziness today. So I kind of gathered this video together and then I'm bringing it over to you. Oh man, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end. Now right here you see me starting a bag which I am using to declutter these clothes that I'm going to donate to the Salvation Army. And now we got to get this table cleaned off because my golden doodle gets all over it. See guys, I told you I was having one of those days. So this is my golden doodle and her name is Nala. She is 8 months old and she just loves wearing tube socks. So in between my cleaning, she got up on the couch and I decided to record her with these socks. And she keeps them on too. Lord help us. Now, my son normally works overnight shift, which means he does 12 hours, and I didn't want him to go to work hungry, so I went ahead and I made him some eggplant parm. So, in the midst of all this cleaning, I stopped to make him something to eat. Okay, so now that we have the eggplant parma in the oven, I needed to sweep the floor and get this garbage, get some kind of control over this garbage, and the dishwasher's going, so we're almost done. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.